Could you do a weekend trip with just a sling bag? For me, this type of travel brings a sense of freedom, and I think this 9-liter Venture Sling from Bellroy is the perfect option if you're looking at trying out this way of minimalist travel. The 9-liter Venture Sling is made with a water-resistant recycled DuraWeave, which is made up mostly of recycled nylon. Currently, you can get the bag in 4 different colorways, including the deep ocean I have here. It also comes in a 6-liter version. Now, this type of packing is not going to be for everyone, but if you are really looking to simplify your travel, then let's check out the features of this sling while packing it up for a weekend trip. So the first thing I love about this sling is this beautiful deep ocean colorway that Bellroy has. Bellroy is always really great with their colors, and it's just really nice to see something a little more colorful than that standard typical black bag. So yeah, let's check this thing out as we pack it up for a weekend trip. As you can see here on the strap, you got a couple adjustment points here. On each side, you also have some easily usable buckles. So those just detach really easily like that. You also have this space here, so that can kind of contour to the bag with whatever way you are holding it. So that's really nice too. All right, so the front pocket, we have some waterproof YKK zips there with that PU coating, as well as some pretty nice zipper pulls here. I like that style, that's kind of cool. Also, just to mention, very subtle Bellroy branding on the front. So yeah, I love that. Okay, so in this first pocket, we have a couple mesh pockets inside of there. Also, we are going to have, here it is, our little key leash in here too. So let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and look at that main compartment. We're gonna pack this one up first, and then we'll come back to that front compartment at the end. So same PU coated zippers up here, the zipper pulls, nice YKK zippers there. So in here, we're gonna have a huge amount of room. This is a 9-liter sling, and this bottom actually kind of pushes down flat, as you can see, so it is very easy to pack out for a trip like this. So in here, you're gonna have some pockets in the back. These two are gonna be for pens over here, a little smaller there, a little smaller pocket here as well. You have your Bellroy little tag right here, which also doubles as a spot for your air tag. You can put that in the back there. In the front here, you have little sunglass pocket with some mesh, and then like a nice little like padding here, kind of for your glasses. Also on the sides, you have these two kind of like stretchy water bottle pockets. They're mesh, so kind of the same, but they look like they would fit a water bottle. I guess you could kind of prop a water bottle in here and then like half zip the bag if you wanted to. We won't be doing that for today's packing and for the weekend trip that we're going on, but I believe that you could kind of fit a smaller water bottle in here and prop it up. Oh, also behind these pockets, you also have a little zipper pocket, and this back has a little bit of padding. So this is gonna be a nice spot for some electronics. But yeah, let's go ahead and start packing this thing out. And let's actually start with this back pocket. So this back little padded pocket, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Kindle. So this is gonna be a great spot for that. We'll face the screen facing the back so it's against the padding there. Just go ahead and zip that up. All right, next we'll pack out these little pockets. Let's go ahead, bring this little space pen. So this thing is awesome. You might have seen this in a recent video, but yeah, this is one of the ones, you know, like from Seinfeld, writes upside down. So super cool here. And very, very portable. So let's put that in that little pocket there. Next, let's fill up this pocket here in the middle. We'll go ahead and put a field notes notebook. Always carry one of these along with me, and a nice little spot for that there. In front of that, we'll bring our passport, of course. We're traveling, so gotta bring the passport along too, and that's gonna fit in there super nicely. Okay, next, let's go ahead and pack out these little side stretchy water bottle type pockets over there. On one side, we're gonna put our charger, keep the phone charged while we're gone over there. And then on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my point and shoot camera from Contacts. So bring this along on the trip, maybe snap some photos. Whoops. And kind of just slide that into the side pocket. There we go. And that's going to be, yeah, obviously very, very secure in there, not moving around at all once I get that in there. All right, so that's going to create a very big wide open space here, and that's where our clothes are going to go. Let's move this bag over here a little bit for a second. And we have the smaller sized Firo packing cube. Really, really digging these packing cubes. I've been using them all the time, so you've probably seen them in a ton of recent videos. In here, we have 2 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of boxer briefs, and then we got a couple t-shirts. These are kind of cool. We're rocking the band tees this time. This one is from Girl Band, which is like a very cool like noise rock band. They're actually called Gilla Band now. But yeah, really cool Irish kind of noise rock band on Rough Trade. So we got that one shirt there. And then the other shirt, going pink this time, which is not my usual, but I just love this shirt from Yo La Tengo, one of my favorite bands of all time. So yeah, really cool design on that one. So let's go ahead and put these back in our small packing cube here. And this will be all we need for a weekend trip. I'll bring along like a small chore coat that I'll wear as I'm traveling and that I can wear, you know, when I'm at my destination, on top of these t-shirts if it is like a little chillier. Since it's spring, you know, who knows what the weather's like in Chicago. One day it's 70, the next day it's 30. So yeah. All right, packing cube all packed up. And as you can see, that's gonna fit in there so nicely. Look at that. So lastly, for this pocket, let's go ahead and pack some sunglasses. So we have our Ray-Bans here. Slide those right in there. They should be nice and protected. I mean, they're against some clothes, so yeah, should be a nice place to put those. Let's go ahead and zip that up. And yeah, all of that's fitting in there perfectly. So the last thing we're gonna do is pack some toiletries. And we have this large front pocket here. Since it's just a weekend trip, I don't need to bring a ton more than what's in this main pocket, but we do have our little toiletries bag. You can see we just have some face wash, some deodorant, of course some sunscreen. We got our toothbrush, toothpaste, a little chapstick, and a little beard comb. So that should do for a weekend trip. So we put all of that back in here. Get everything in that tiny little pen case. This is actually a pen and pencil case from Bellroy and Field Notes. This is part of a collaboration that they did. But yeah, super cool little pen case, and it fits just the right amount of stuff for a weekend trip when it comes to toiletries. So let's go ahead and slide that in that front pocket there. You can see a little bit snug, but yeah, it actually fits pretty well. Zip that up. And there you go. Easily done. We are all packed up for a weekend trip with just a 9-liter sling bag. Let's check out a couple of major Pocket EDC upgrades. So first up, I have this Crazy Horse leather key organizer and multi-tool set from Orbitkey. And I've actually been using this quite a bit recently, but the packaging here is just so nice that I actually took everything inside, repackaged it so that I could show you the unboxing experience. So let's check it out. So what we have inside here is a really handy key organizer that is made with some beautiful oak brown leather, along with some brown stitching to match. And what's really nice about this leather is it has a wax coating on it. So over time, it's going to absorb oils and then it's going to naturally gain some character. And then paired with the key organizer, we have this great little 9-in-1 multi-tool that is going to fit perfectly next to your keys inside of the organizer. And you can use this multi-tool as a box cutter, a bottle opener, a pry bar, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a letter opener, metric ruler, imperial ruler, and a coarse file. So yeah, 9 uses with just this little tool right here. And so this is going to be really easy to set up. All you do is unscrew this top fastener right here. You can put your keys in there along with your multi-tool. And you just go ahead, screw that back together. And here you can use something even to get it really tight in there, like a quarter, something easily to do that. And then you just have your little multi-tool and your keys. Super easy and convenient to use. So next up, I have this simple little cable case from Muji, and this does such a great job of keeping those loose cables in order. And it's really easy to use. You just open it up like this, just a piece of plastic. I think this costs like $3 for one of these. So a really nice, like, cheap buy. Basically, you're just going to take your cable. You're going to kind of find your middle point of the cable. You're just going to place it in here. Then you take the bottom and the top parts like that. And you'll see the cables kind of come out on each end. And then you're just going to twist. It's super easy to do. And then at the end, you're just gonna have a cable that is all in order, which is so perfect for someone like me who has cables everywhere, always trying to tie them in knots and things like that. Another little cool additional feature for this thing, let me find where it is. Here it is the bottom actually slides out like this. So if you do have a cell phone with you and you want to watch something, you can just prop it up here, in this case as so. So yeah, very nice for like hands-free calling, all that kind of stuff. If you want to FaceTime or anything like that, just a nice little extra bonus for this cord case. So lastly, I have some cool little compact notebooks and pens from Muji. And this company just makes such nice, affordable, and useful products. These, along with the cable case, are the first products that I've tried out from Muji. And my wife actually bought me all of these for my birthday a few months back. But I've just been really impressed with this brand. I'm definitely going to be trying out more of their products, so be sure to be on the lookout for more videos on Muji goods in the future. But yeah, these A7 notebooks and little gel pens are just the perfect size. They're going to fit pretty effortlessly in your pant pocket or a jacket pocket. And then inside here, you've got some pretty nice paper, honestly, for a $9.90 notepad. And you also have this nice little kind of rubber outside to it with the pen pocket here. And then these pens are just like little gel pens. They cost, I think, $3, but they are a perfect accompaniment to this notebook. And you've got, yeah, a pretty nice little writing setup for under $13. All right, so before we go, I just want to go over a couple channel updates that we have here, because there's some exciting things happening right now. Just this past week, we reached over 1 million overall views for the channel, which might not seem like a lot compared to some other channels, but for this small channel, it feels like a pretty, big and exciting thing. So thank you to everyone who has watched one of these videos, who has subscribed and follows the channel. 1 million views. It is pretty cool that we have reached that milestone. Along with that, I also want to thank everyone who bought one of my collaborative bags that I made with Vous pouvez dormir dans la grange. That was a dream project for me to be able to collaborate with a bag company on a bag for the channel. So cool collaborating with them. But yeah, that is officially sold out now. So if you are one of the people who bought one of those bags, thank you so much for the support there. It really does mean a ton for the channel. And yeah, hopefully it will have more collaborative projects in the future. So yeah, be on the lookout for that kind of stuff in the future. Let's see what else we got here. So along with selling bags, I have run out of space in our apartment. We just have way too many bags now. I've gifted a lot and donated some over the years. But now we just need to get rid of some bags. So I want them to go to people who will use them. So I created an eBay account. You can get the link to that in the description. But yeah, head over there if you want to check out one of the bags that you've seen in a video and want to purchase that for yourself. Yeah, they all have some pretty good discounts. So be sure to check out the eBay if you're looking for a new bag. Let's see what else we have. One thing I want to mention, if you have been keeping up with the channel, you might have seen that I have been posting a ton of shorts this past week. And that's because I had a collaborative project that I just worked on with Adobe, which is also like a dream collaboration for me. So recently I made a bunch of shorts that coincide with Adobe's Premiere mobile app. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Yeah, you can see all of my shorts that I created for that campaign. But yeah, super excited to be working with Adobe. And then lastly, let's just talk a little bit about music, because if you've seen my videos before, I really like discussing music at the end of every video. I used to work for independent record labels in the past. I also worked for a hi-fi company in the past. So music's always been like a huge part of my life. Many years ago, I ran my own record label on the side, which was super fun. But yeah, talking about music and sharing music has always been like a big passion of mine, which I want to definitely continue to do on this channel. You'll still see me talking about my record collection and going over records each week, but I kind of want to change things up a little bit. Now that I'm doing more of these like pack out episodes, as I'm going to be calling them, the pack out. So like each week I'll be kind of going over a number of things instead of just like a single review. We'll have a bunch of different videos and make these a little bit longer. So these Saturday videos will be called the pack out. And to coincide with each episode of the Pack Out, I'll also be making just a short little 5-song playlist. So I'll have weekly playlists that will come out with every episode of the Pack Out on Saturdays. So be sure to be on the lookout for those if you are interested in, learning about new music or checking out new music, hearing what I've been listening to that week. But yeah, those are the big updates right now for this channel. But again, yeah, thank you for tuning in each week. I really, really appreciate the support. And yeah, it's awesome that I've been getting to work on these really cool projects. So thank you so much for that. But with that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.